As of December 2025, Tesla has a streamlined online parts ordering process through their website, tesla.com/parts. This makes it easy for Tesla owners to purchase genuine OEM parts and accessories directly. Enhanced digital tools like a parts catalog with 3D visualization and mobile app integration for order tracking make the process smoother than ever. The primary place to order genuine Tesla parts is tesla.com/parts. This official website provides access to authentic OEM components designed specifically for your Tesla vehicle. Tesla strongly discourages using third-party marketplaces like Amazon or eBay for parts. These platforms often sell non-genuine or aftermarket components that may not meet Tesla's safety standards. Sticking with the official website ensures you get the exact right parts for your specific Tesla model and maintains your vehicle's warranty. Official parts are engineered for optimal performance and safety. Experience the convenience of Tesla's official parts ordering with vehicles designed for the future. You can order a wide range of functional parts online, including brake pads, tires, batteries, and body panels. These essential components help maintain your Tesla's performance and safety. Accessories like roof racks and floor mats are also readily available for online ordering, allowing you to customize your Tesla for comfort and utility. However, certain high-value or complex parts, such as powertrains, often require professional installation at Tesla service centers. Not all parts are shippable for DIY installation due to warranty restrictions. OEM parts are made by Tesla or approved suppliers, guaranteeing compatibility and performance. Aftermarket parts may void warranties or compromise safety. The 2024 Cybertruck recall case, linked to substandard aftermarket wheels, highlights the risks of using non-genuine components. Always opt for OEM to protect your Tesla. Begin the ordering process by selecting your specific Tesla vehicle model from the available options. Next, enter your vehicle identification number, or VIN, to ensure the parts match your exact vehicle configuration perfectly. Payment is processed securely through your Tesla account, providing a seamless and integrated experience. For expensive components like replacement batteries, Tesla offers financing options to make maintenance more affordable. Certain functional parts require verification and professional installation at Tesla service centers to maintain safety and warranty standards. Pricing for Tesla parts can vary significantly based on market demand and supply chain factors. Prices may increase during periods of high demand or decrease when supplies are plentiful. Tesla reported a 15 to 20% increase in online parts sales during Q3 2025, reflecting growing demand as the EV fleet expands to over 7 million vehicles worldwide. This growth is driven by more owners opting for online ordering. Keep an eye out for Tesla's Parts Marketplace beta program, launched in mid-2025. This innovative platform allows owners to resell used genuine parts, promoting a circular economy by extending the life of components and reducing waste. The rise of online-only EV parts ecosystems is a major trend, with Tesla leading the charge amid the global shift to electrification. Tesla's 2025 initiatives include eco-friendly packaging and a green parts program offering discounts on recycled components. Future trends include AI for predictive maintenance, potentially reducing waste by 25% in the next decade. Tesla plans to expand drone delivery pilots for parts in select U.S. areas by 2027. With EV sales projected to hit 50 million units globally by 2030, demand for genuine parts could drive price reductions of 10 to 15% via economies of scale. Experts praise Tesla's online parts system for its user-friendliness, but caution on pricing transparency. While parts may be pricier than competitors due to exclusivity, they offer superior performance and reliability. Always check Tesla.com or official channels for the latest updates and information on ordering genuine Tesla parts.